Hesse? That's the German state located in central Germany. Hassium, originally named uniloctium, is the 108th element, and transition metal with 108 protons and 108 electrons with 169 neutrons. Hassium was discovered in 1984 by Gottfried Munzenberg and Peter Armbruster with a density of 41 grams per centimeters cubed. Hassium has an atomic weight of 277 atomic mass units, and it was named after the German state, Hass. A Soviet scientist, Viktor Chudintsev, was the first to claim in 1968 that he had discovered naturally occurring hassium in a sample of molybdenite. A Russian team was the first to attempt to synthesize hassium in 1978, but were unsuccessful. 5 years later, the same team attempted to produce other isotopes of hassium again, and synthesized Hs-270, Hs-264, and Hs-263. A repeat of the experiment that first produced H-264 in 1983 was successful in 1984. The highly controversial transfermium wars, referring to the elements after fermium in which the IPAC settled disputes over elements 104 through 108, led to the assigning of a placeholder in position 108 until hassium could be synthesized. The matter was not officially resolved until 1997. As a radioactive, synthetic element, hassium does not occur naturally on Earth. Hassium samples throughout its history have only included a handful of atoms. The first sample of hassium was synthesized through a nuclear reaction that fused an isotope of lead with an isotope of iron, Pb208 and Fe58. Hassium decays so quickly that researchers do not expect to ever see an observable amount of the element. The element belongs to the group 8 series and is a member of the transactinide elements. Despite not having observable samples, researchers theorize that it should behave much like the heavier elements in group 8, like osmium. Should a large quantity of hassium ever be present, scientists expect it to be a silvery-colored metal that reacts quite readily with oxygen in the air to create a highly volatile tetroxide. This chemical property theory is based on its position on the periodic table with respect to other elements in its groups. Due to the radioactive nature of hassium's isotopes and the rate of decay, no primordial hassium is thought to exist on Earth. Stay tuned for Meitnerium.